welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 4th to the 8th of July 2022 on Monday. Tati refuses to collaborate with Mam Sonto. Abdul asks Pretty to go overseas with him. Dogozo realizes Kokoko might have more sinister plan on Tuesday. Sonto walks out of Tati's and no one knows where she is. Caesar warns Gugu to stay away from Ntokozo. Pretty receives a tape of herself singing and it opens old wounds on Wednesday. Mazette and Tati get into a first fight. Sonto wants to kill Kokoko herself. Bongani tells Miss Matigizela he's moving back in with her. On Thursday, Pretty does the unthinkable with Abdul. Bongani's ex-wife counteracts his master plan. Ntokozo suffers the end of a sharp blade on Friday. Ntokozo is at death's door. Mr. Lebalo is out on bail. Pretty decides to confess to kissing her ex. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.